MSI Stealth 50, Intel Core i7-11375H, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060, 16GB, 512GB SSD, Thunderbolt 4, Wi-Fi 6, Win 10, Carbon Gray, A11UEK009. About this item: visual performance. The 15.6 inches 144Hz display delivers true-to-life images with a high refresh rate so you can see every frame of the game. Redefined power. The 11th General Intel Core i7 processor delivers high performance with cores, take on any games and applications with ease. Supercharged graphics. The MSI Stealth 15M is powered by NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060, take on today's most popular games with these performance graphics. On-the-go gaming. Designed to be thin and light for gamers to carry around every day for games, study, or work. Cool and powerful. MSI's exclusive Cooler Boost technology ensures optimal thermal dissipation. Featuring state-of-the-art fans and heat pipes, get the airflow you need for gaming. Versatile connections. The Stealth 15M features a wide range of I/O ports, Thunderbolt 4 supporting power delivery and up to 40 gigabits per second of data transfer, and USB 4.0. If you want to buy this product, clicks on the link present in description. If you like my video content, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.